Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video I'm going to share my view on gold price, and I will try to predict how gold can behave in coming trading session and where gold is taking support and resistance in term of price action. So those who have been following me in my recent uploaded video and recent prediction on gold, they knows that I have been predicting and I have been expecting that gold is in currently in high selling pressure, and I am favoring only short selling for gold, as you can see from the chart and trend line. If you want to check those video, you have to check the channel for those prediction. So personally, from today's trading session, it should be a huge surprise that gold is not under strong selling pressure that I already mentioned in my recent uploaded video. As you can see, it is the first short-term extension that currently gold is trading at around 1780 level. uh, as you can see, gold rejected the price action from this level, that is at around 176 level, and it is currently bouncing under this channel. So I will draw some important level and we will try to identify major support and resistance, and I will try to identify where gold can trade in coming trading session, and where I'm going to take entries for gold. So let me just quickly draw some level for gold. Actually we are on a 4 hour time frame chart, so let's just take screenshot and we will discuss this in brief. So as you can see from the chart that this is the major trend line that I am currently facing, or currently I am uh, taking this into consideration, that this is the major trend line that gold is facing in upper side or in buying side. So as you can see, it already tested this trend line at these level and this level also. So this is the upper trend line that is a very important in term of price action in buying side. So after this trend line, as you can see from the chart, another important level is at this line, this horizontal line. This is the major uh, support, resistance in term of buying side. As you can see, it rejected the price many time, and previously it is acting as a support for gold. So this level is very important for gold, and we have to monitor this particular level for upper movement of gold. And in intraday term, as you can see, this parallel channel is a very important part for coming trading session. As you can see, gold is currently trading inside this chart, and what I am expecting and where I am currently looking for gold to take entry, as you can see. So at the bottom, as you can see, these are major 1750, as you can see from this side and this zone and this uh, line. So at these price, the gold rejected this line many times. So this is a very important level in downside, which is at 1750. So currently I am expecting that gold might bounce back to this level, at least 1800. it recently tested this level. So still I'm expecting that gold after testing this level might fall to or might retest 1750. And if gold uh, you know able to trade able to trade in this trend, I'm still hoping that gold might reject from here for a lower extension and might test these lower level in coming trading sessions. So I'm still very limited in buying entry, and I'm expecting to take a sell entry if a particular confirmation appear, like some bullish engulfing or pin burst candlestick formation at 4 hour time frame. So these are all my level to watch for intraday, or for you can say in short term basis. So first level at intraday level is 1800 in term of upper buying side, and 1831 is measure in upward movement of gold. In downward trend, we have to wait for the breakout of this channel, and we can take target at 1750. And if the selling extension may exceed from these level, we can look for 1722 level also. So these are my important level that I am currently monitoring, and I will expect gold might test these level in upper and lower side in coming trading session. So I will discuss more about gold prediction in coming video. Thank you.